Hello, let's play Wordle for Sunday, August 2nd. Yesterday we spun the wheel. It said to start with teach. Okay, we have an E and an A. I'm thinking A may be here in the fourth spot. What does that? I don't know why rebar was the first thing that came to mind, but I don't want to do double R. Not yet. It could be another re word or a D word. It's hard to know which ones those are. I wonder if we could end in Y, like decay. There's no C. Delay. Let's try delay. All right, there is an L, so I'm thinking AL ending. Regal. Not regal. Okay, but it is AL ending. What is it then? It's not CAL. What about WAL? PAL? Seeing that. SAL? FAL. I wish I could just see this. VAL? Eval. I'm not seeing this word. BAL? NAL? Renal? No, there's no R. Penal. Like a penal colony? There we go. Oh, wow. That was hard to think of. Alrighty. Penal in 4. Not too bad. Let's spin the members wheel and see what tomorrow's starting word will be. Which one? Zhuzh, just suggested by Double E. I think we're going to learn something very interesting about Z's and H's tomorrow. All right. Well, let's check with the bot to see how we did here. So the answer was penal. We started with teach. So it suggests pedal or renal. So that AL ending, it's going right for. What did I do? Let me pull this out. Delay. I did delay. Is that in the list? It is in the list. It's number 5. All right. So I did delay. After that, there were 6 words left. Feral, legal, penal, regal, renal, and venal. All right. So it suggests regal or renal. They both start with R, so they kind of get each other. What did I do? That is not the right thing. What did I do? Regal is what I did. So I did the top guess. We're down to penal and venal. Venal is a medical term of some kind. What's it relating to what, though? Venal. Oh, no, it's not medical. Frequently confused words. Venial, often mixed up with venal, but venial means minor pardonable mistake or sin that's easy to forgive. Venal means open to bribery, corrupt, or a mercenary. Taking bribes, selling influence, mercenary acts. Oh, okay. Huh. I guess I don't know that word then. I was thinking it was similar to renal, like renal is related to the kidneys. I thought maybe venal was related to a different organ, but I guess not. All right. Well, let's go back and check its solve. Pedal. And that, of course, is only penal after. Now, pedal's tied with a few others. It's tied with renal as well. And so renal could get you in that 50-50, but it's a 3 or a 4. All right. It starts with least. And again, pedal or renal. Yeah, makes sense. All right, so it's going to get like a 3. Now, steel is going to be the same letters in a different spot. It's going to have that L at the end, the AL at the end. So we're going to go pedal or regal. Pedal, of course, gets penal. Does regal do it too? Regal does not. Regal's got 6 words left. We still need to go pedal. So it really depends on luck there for how many words that's going to take. Adieu is the most common starting word. With the A and the E, we go trace from adieu. And then we're down to 21 words. We're going to go began or penal. We know how penal is going to work out. So how about began? Then it's penal or venal, so 4 or 5. All right, so 3, 4, or 5, I guess. Then audio, we're going clasp with just the A. We're down to 8 words. Lapel, maple, paler, panel, papal, penal, pedal, Ralph. Ralph is kind of sticking out as a little bit different than the others. It says panel, penal, or pedal. If it isn't the answer, it'll get it next. So something like panel will get penal next. So it's a 3 or a 4, more likely a 4. Stare is another common starting word. With the A and the E, we're going to go angel. That's interesting. Put the A first. Then it's down to penal or venal, so 3 or 4. Pert has the highest chance to get it in 2. Today is 1 and 3. This bucket has pecan, pedal, and penal in it. So there is a 1 in 3 chance to get it in 2. Otherwise, it gets it in 3. All right. And finally, tarps is what the official bot has been starting with in hard mode. We have the P. We're going to go plain. And then plain is a anagram of penal. So we go plain, penal. All right. Let's check with the official bot to see what people are doing. So we'll go back to here. What am I doing? Here we go. Let's grab a screenshot so I can analyze in regular mode as well. Let me just save this off here. Everything takes a little bit longer when remoting in. All right. Okay. Let's click the correct button. Did I beat the bot? Give me a 93 score. Teach is an 87. People went, oh wow, a lot of people went penal and just got the answer. There's that use a P in the follow-up strategy. Pedal, of course, did very well as well. So a lot of people did very well with the teach start. We got feral, relay, regal, metal, sedan, began, renal, delay. I'm not the only one who did delay. Obviously, penal did very well. Pedal and renal guaranteed it next. 1.8 from regal, 1.9 from delay, 1.6 from sedan, actually. Who did worst? Not many did poorly. Metal did the worst at 2.1. All right. Regal, it gave a 99 to. Penal, 99. It gave an 81 to delay. It would have preferred what? Regal. Okay. So teach did very well today. Tarps, plain, penal, the same solve we just saw. 0.2 starting with penal. 5.1, 41.0, 80.1, 96.2, greater than 99. If you're losing on venal. All right, well, let's refresh then. And upload our image here. Okay. Analyze in regular mode. You have a 94 skill still. Interestingly, pedal was more common than penal in regular mode. So, but still 7% of people getting it in 2 after teach. We've got pedal, feral, metal, relay, began, regal, sedan, delay. I should have done relay instead of delay, to be honest. I didn't think about it. Girly is what it would do, a filler. No one actually did that, though. Delay did the worst at 2.5. Not as many 1.0s here, just pedal. It's interesting. All right, 99 for regal again. It does slate, rangy, penal. So it does a pure filler second. Well, not quite pure. I mean, it does a filler second. Pure filler I would define as 5 new letters. It actually reuses the A, and then everything else is new. All right. I don't get to see how many started with that, but it's either 0.3 or 0.2 probably. 3.9, 30.8, 71.3, 93.0, 98.9. Oh, wow. People losing on venal, pedal, petal, panel. All right. Well, how'd you do?